In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to effectively research current trending topics in technology and social media. I'll start by typing a prompt asking for the top 5 trends for April 2026, along with a brief explanation of why they are gaining popularity today. This gives me a solid high-level overview of the current landscape and identifies where to focus my attention. Perplexity highlights that AI-native content is becoming the core of content generation, moving far beyond just being a simple tool for creators. It also points out the evolution of interactive short-form video and the rise of highly specific micro-communities where users seek deeper, more authentic engagement. Additionally, the results show a surge in AI-powered health tools and a growing interest in sustainable tech narratives that focus on eco-friendly, frugal optimist solutions. To dig deeper into the specifics, I'll type a follow-up prompt, asking about the latest feature updates on TikTok and Instagram this month and how they impact creator strategies. The results show that TikTok is leaning into AI-assisted editing with features like automated cover titles, while Instagram is expanding its limits to allow for 20-minute recordings. These updates are pushing creators toward more polished, long-form content and serialized storytelling formats like multi-part tutorials. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.